All right, so I'm Sherri. I'm a registered dietitian, and the title of this video, I think, is going to be Before You Start a Diet, a Weight Loss Diet, Do This. What I'm going to share with you today is what I have all of my clients do that want to lose weight, which is 99% of my clients. And the reason why I have them do this activity first is because I don't automatically assume what they need. I cannot assume what their core issues are around why they are overweight. I've got to look way back and see how did we get to be overweight before I can design any kind of program that will help them, because it's got to address those things. All right, so what you're going to do is for at least a 2-week period, I want you to keep a food log. Now, I'm not talking about logging in something like a MyFitnessPal or Lose It, any app like that, because I really don't care about calories, or I really don't even care about what it is you're eating. In these 2 weeks, I want you to focus on, why am I eating this? Here can be a few examples. I'm eating this because I'm hungry. Okay, how do I know if I'm hungry? Focus on the stomach. If you are not sure if you're hungry, you're not. Another reason, I'm eating this because, this is a bad habit. Late night snacking, for example. Or maybe snacking always, mid-afternoon snack could be a bad habit. Always eating dessert when you're already full might be a bad habit. So we develop some bad habits that have nothing to do with hunger. Can you identify those as a reason why you're eating? The next one is going to be external cues. So that means I'm eating this just because I saw it, because I smelled it, because somebody offered it to me. These are samples at the grocery store. These are, you get up to go to the bathroom, at your house, and you see that banana laying there, and the banana's going to rot. So you're like, oh, I need to eat that today. Well, let me just go ahead and eat it now. That is an external cue. You weren't thinking about eating a banana. You're not even hungry, but you're eating it because you don't want it to spoil. External cue. And then the last reason is going to be due to an emotion, a feeling. Are you triggered to eat when you feel stressed, anxious, bored, any kind of feeling? Insert there. Now, here's one thing. The reasons can overlap. The reasons can overlap. So that would look like, I am stressed out and I want to eat, but I actually haven't eaten all day because I was stressed out about that meeting that was taking place. So I'm starving. So I'm eating due to stress, and I'm also eating due to hunger. What you want to do is spend at least 2 weeks and really hone in and look at, why am I eating? And what you will uncover is going to be crucial to figure out what kind of plan you need to lose weight. So, for example, if you are often triggered to eat due to emotions, you need a plan that's going to address that, which means you do not need to just log on to MyFitnessPal and start tracking it, how many ever calories they tell you to track. It means you don't need to follow intermittent fasting because those things assume that you can follow the plan. But if you're triggered to eat often due to your emotions, that's not going to work for you. If you are someone who truly eats due to some bad habits, you clearly can tell when you're hungry, when you're not. You never eat due to emotions, and you rarely eat due to just seeing it or smelling it or whatever, external cues. Then a calorie counting or a macronutrient counting plan, points like a Weight Watchers, that may very well work pretty good for you. So do this for 2 weeks. I'm really excited and anxious to see what you come up with. If you want to contact me, I'm going to put my email down below. I'll also put a link to my website. I focus on working with those who are triggered to eat often due to emotions. So I would love, if that is you, to talk with you, see if I can help you come up with a plan so that you can decrease the emotional eating and ultimately lose weight. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.